Hello guys, here's Alex, and today I wanted to talk about my tires, which are Continental TKC 70, very famous. People like them and I do as well, and that's why I wanted to talk about them. I did about 13,000 kilometers with these tires, and this is my second set, so I decided to do a long-term review. It will be, as always, in German, English and Russian, so excuse me for my English right in the beginning. And yeah, I will do it with some short clips, also videos from travels where I went with it, like off-road and things like this, so it's not too boring. Actually, it's not like the most boring location because it's Marienburg and it's kind of nice. There's Würzburg, the city Würzburg in Bavaria, so yeah, it's not the worst location, but I will try to do my best. Yeah, I will do it in sections. I do it always in sections. The first one is just general stuff, show you the tire properly, then talk about the behavior of the tire on road, off-road, rain, cold weather. Like now we have December, end of December, and it's 4 degrees, maybe 5 degrees Celsius, and yeah, how it behaves in rain and in slight off-road, maybe gravel roads, things like this. Then I compare it to other tires that I had, talk about the mileage of them. There's a very important point and topic to talk about. Then the likes and dislikes, what I like, what I don't like about it, and my recommendation, who should get this tire, who shouldn't, and at the end a small resume, would I buy it again. Okay, let's show you the tire. This tire, as I said, is really famous because there are a lot of sizes with this one. They produced it since 2014, I think, and this is how it looks. Of course, the sun's gone now. Here it looks more aggressive in the front. Yeah, they call it 70-30 tire, 70 on road and 30 off road. I don't know, maybe I would say it's 20-80. It's more road tire, of course. And this is the back. We have two components here, softer part here and harder here for the mileage, and yeah, for better cornering, of course. Really awesome looking tires, I think. They fit to motorcycles like this that want to be adventure bikes, but they aren't. Yeah, looks really good. Yeah, let's talk about the behavior of the tire. In general, it's very important to say that it's, I don't know in English, how do you call it? It's MS tire, which means much in Schnee in German. It's mud and snow, so you're allowed to go in winter with this tire, which is kind of important because I ride in winter. The law is not certain there, I think. Some say, like in forums, it's important to have winter tires. The back, of course, as well. I don't know. Didn't find the right information, but it's always to be better be safe than sorry, you know, because when something happens, insurance always tries to screw you over and not paying you the money. So it's safe if you say ahead winter tires. So if you ride in winter, perfect choice. They get warm really quickly. They're agile, neutral. You can choose the lane. If you choose the lane in the curve, you will go this lane. It's not like with other tires. They don't fall in the corner. They go really smooth. It's working pretty good. Low temperatures like now in winter, they are made for winter. Awesome. Better than with the battle wings I had, the Bridgestones here. It was not the same. You were scared a little bit. After under 5 degrees Celsius, it was kind of hard. But with this one, no problem at all. Yeah, you can go in the corners really deep, and yeah, just a good road tire. Let's talk about road. I was really surprised on the pavement because people say it's a mix and it's always a compromise, no? Because it's off-road and on-road tire. But I was so surprised on the road, on the paved streets, on asphalt. They are just so good. Yeah, I was surprised. They're much better than, for example, let's say Michelin Pilot Road 5 and others. I had a tire from Pirelli. It was, I hope I say it right, Angel GT, and this was like the best tire that I had before. And it was really quick. It was really agile and really nimble. You can go throw it around and feels pretty safe, and it feels like this, even though it's an off-road tire. I don't know how they do it, but on the street I was so surprised the first time I got riding. Of course you're slow and careful the first kilometers, but then you start dragging the packs, you know, and you're so surprised, and I was feeling so safe. Really awesome on the road, really good, can't say it enough. It's getting the grip getting warm really fast. I have a gas station before a tour. I usually go there to get the gas, maybe 1.5 kilometers from my home, and they're quick. They're already ready to go. You can go from there straight to the twisties, and you will be super safe on paved roads. It was really a surprise for me. They're really good on tarmac. Said it already. You can go down. Yeah, compared to other street tires, like the Michelin Pilot 4, and I had it, 5s, 2 sets, had it, Battle Wing, I don't know, Angel GT, they are the best for me. I don't know how they do it, but on the road, that's why I choose the second one, they are just awesome. They're really good, very surprising. You should try it. In rain, they are as good as Pilot Road 5s, which are the best one for rain, they say. I went from Croatia. People who know my channel, they saw the video. I drove home, it was 700 kilometers only rain, and I tried it really good, because in people who know this road from Croatia, when you go up to Austria, you have to go to Slovenia, and they don't have this right straight highway, so you have to go on twisties, and they're like really twisties, and it was raining really like heavy, and no problem at all. Felt just as safe as with the Michelins. Okay, let's talk about off-road. When I say off-road, it's stuff like this, stuff like gravel roads, a little bit, of course, more than this. They're perfect for this kind of stuff. You feel so much safer. Gravel roads are the best for this. I don't know, some people complained, but okay, this is not too much. It's basically normal road, but if it's even more, it's just perfect, works perfect. I was going also like through puddles now. You can see it's a little bit dirty, the bike. And even if the water is like till the rim, you know, it's still fine. You feel safe as long as not mud. We will talk about mud later. Yeah, it feels just awesome. In Croatia I tried it in many conditions, and my watch saying I done everything. What was I talking about? So easy to distract. Yeah, in Croatia I tried it in many conditions, like sand and gravel and big stones. I will put a video. If they are getting really big, like golf size ball from golf ball size, you will have your difficulties, because there's not enough grip here with these tires. But you will see in the video. If it's uphill, especially, no way. But for little things like gravel roads and a little mud on the roads and a little puddles and wet and rain, perfect. In cold weather we have, as I said, I don't remember if I said it or not. If I said it, it's winter, it's end of winter, December, 4 degrees, and was going down again to the gas station, no problem. Have the grip already, really good. In sand I tried it in Croatia, but I was alone, and after like some meters I went back, because I knew it's not gonna work. The front is better, I think, for sand, but the back is, no, you don't get too much grip. Maybe if it's sand on the like paved roads, like in Morocco. I bought them from Morocco, but yeah, try them in Europe. I think they will be still fine, but just sand, no, I don't think they're gonna work. But I didn't try properly. You need 2 people, I think. And where they are not working at all off-road, it's matte, sticky mud. Because, yeah, I put a video again. I tried it one day, it was raining like many days, and then I went to the forest in Germany and tried to get as far as I could, and I didn't get very far. You will see it in the video. It's just not made for this. They are closing up these gaps and not evacuating the mud, and you just spin and spin and spin and spin. It's not working at all. You need a different tire there. They are really for light off-road, but in this light off-road, the first time I tried it, I was really surprised, because usually went with road tires also to do these gravel roads and this kind of stuff, but it's another world. It's really, really much safer, even it doesn't look like this. But as I said, not too heavy. Don't go too far, it will be difficult. Okay, compared to other tires like the, yeah, what do we have? The most famous one, Michelin Pilot Road 4, 5s. They will, the mileage is much better on the, not much better, but 20-30% better on the Pilot Road 4 especially, and 5s also. They're a little bit less than 4s because I had 2 sets, I know it. And compared to the Battle Wing that you had, for example, on this bike, they are also kind of off-road dish a little bit, 10% I think they say. Yeah, it's not they're not as good as this one. The TKCs are just much better, getting warmer fast. They are like plasticky, the Battle Wings. Didn't like them too much. I had the chance to ride the TKC from Heidenau, which is like more off-road tire. People who saw my videos from Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan, I had this tire. It's again another world. You can go through completely different stuff with this ones. This one is medium, like for beginner off-roaders, let's say like this. But also the K60 is feels also plasticky. You need time to get it warm, but it lasts like for 20,000 I think. I didn't try, but I didn't show any use this tire. Let's talk about mileage, which is very important, and this is the big thing here. Because the first tire set, I have a video again, I will show you after 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers I changed it because I had a plug. I needed to plug it, I had a hole here, and yeah, I changed it a little bit earlier because of that. And yeah, you see in the video, it's just way down. This one has 6,000 now, more than 6,000. It looks so much better. It's like 50%, and it will go almost double. It will go 12,000, 13,000. The front one is even longer. The front one is good for 13,000, 14,000 I think. But the back, yeah, the thing is, it's because I was going too fast too many times, like on the highway, and this is killing it. Yeah, I know, please don't write me in the comment section, are you stupid? Every tire is going down really fast if you go like with high speed. Yeah, I know. And I had some tires before and they didn't do it like that. Of course they use up much faster, but not as much as this one. So if you go not too fast, if you go fast, they will be yeah, done in 7,000 to 8,000 kilometers. But if you don't do it, and if you go not more than 140, let's say, it's not allowed in most countries like in Germany anyway, you will be fine. It will hold up for 12,000, 13,000 maybe. Yeah. Okay, likes, dislikes. I like about these tires their versatility. I love it that you can go on gravel roads, you can go on tarmac, asphalt. I mean, really cornering like I did in Switzerland. It was awesome, perfect for cornering. I felt so safe there. Touring, you can you can tour on it for many kilometers. For example, if you go somewhere far and then back, you don't need to change them if you don't go too fast. And that's available in so many sizes. This is a problem for my bike. I have 160 in the back and it's not allowed to put another size, else I would not get this one here in Germany, which is called TÜV, my best friends. And yeah, so this is really a plus point for me, and I think for many other bikes who can't find off-road tires. Yeah, the mileage, I said, if you don't go too fast, really nice. And the looks of it, it's you admit it, it's kind of sexy looking. It's a really nice tire. What do I don't like about it? It's the mileage again. If you go too fast, as I said, just don't do it. And they are kind of expensive if you compare it with other tires. They're like top shelf, the same price as Michelin Pilot Road 5s, which are not cheap. So it's, yeah, they're expensive segment. This I don't like, and of course I don't like it. Like, you could make it a little bit more off-roady, you know, like mud. Maybe not this belt, center belt here. A little bit bigger gaps, and it would be so much better already. But else, it's a really awesome tire. There are not too many negative points. Who should get this tire? Who shouldn't? People like me, people who know my channel. They're right. This kind of stuff is perfect for this bike. You go traveling, you go maybe to the Balkans, or you go to Spain or somewhere else, and then you want to do gravel roads, like come uphill on gravel roads, go a little bit off-road to a lake or you know, all this interesting stuff that starts after you leave the paved roads. For this it's perfect, I think. Yeah, the versatility, I said it already, and the sizes, like people who can't find it, the right tire, maybe they will be lucky with this one. Who shouldn't? People who go on the highway for, I don't know, 2,000-3,000 kilometers down to Morocco and then back, maybe not for them. I think it would be not the ideal tire. Also maybe not for the heaviest bikes, because in the summer you feel it. You feel the rubber, it's really soft, it's really good for grip. But I think with heavy bikes, at least like do some research, you know, because like check some forums. I don't think it will work really good with really heavy bikes like 270-80 kilos and more. Yeah, these people shouldn't get it. Yeah, my resume, my recommendation, of course I recommend it. I did a video about it and I really like this tire and I will keep it and I would buy it again. I bought the second set and I'm really happy with this one, especially because I ride gravel roads. I like it, and in winter it's perfect for me, and yeah, just for my kind of riding it's perfect, and that's why I recommend it totally. Okay, I think this video is long enough. Yeah, again, I wanted to do 10 minutes, it's over 15 again. I think I will come to an end. Good, here's the view again. I thank you guys for watching and hope we will manage this crisis, this corona crisis, and yeah, travel again with our bikes. Wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.